Hey guys, in this video I will show you a quick tutorial of how you can open a long and a short position on the BingX leverage trading platform. If you want to create an account on BingX, you can simply go down to the video description and click on the link, then you will get to exactly this page right here and you will be eligible for up to $5,000 of bonuses. Just use the link, you can scroll down here, you can see how you can get the bonuses, and then you can just enter your email right here, your password, and you have created an account, and you will be always, if you use the link, eligible for the best bonuses possible. Once you have created an account and you log in for the first time, you will get to this page right here. And quickly, first thing I want to show you is how you can deposit money. To do that, you simply go up here to your assets and click on deposit. And then you can choose the cryptocurrency that you want to deposit, US dollar, Tether, Bitcoin, all of these ones that you can choose from. Just choose a network. For example, for US dollar Tether, I like to use the Tron network, and then you will get your deposit address right here. You can copy it and send the US dollar Tether or any other cryptocurrency to that address from another exchange or your wallet. If you don't have any crypto yet, you can also buy it directly from here. If you just click on buy crypto, you can just simply choose your fiat currency, for example, the US dollar, type in 500, for example, and then you can choose here the payment method, whichever one you would like, and you can buy it that way as well. Once you have deposited money, we can now switch over to the futures trading platform, which you can find up here. You just go to derivatives, and then you can click on perpetual or standard futures. I personally prefer perpetual futures because they have no expiration date. You just click on it, and then you will get to this page right here, which is the leverage trading platform. First of all, allow me to give you a short introduction of it. First of all, here you can choose your leverage trading pair. So if you want to choose, for example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, whichever one you want to trade, you can choose it right here. Then you will see the chart right here in the middle. You will see the order book right here. Here you can open and close your trades, and down here you will see your open position. But we will get into all of that in detail right now. So first of all, we want to open a long position. I want to show you how you can open a long position. You just go up here to the right, click on open. First of all, you can choose your margin right here, cross or isolated. I personally recommend just use isolated. Just click on confirm. Here's the leverage. You can set a leverage for long positions and for short positions. In this case, I'm just going to choose 5x leverage for both of them. Just click on confirm. And now I can choose the order type, a limit order or a market order. These are the main things. Limit order is basically you can choose a certain price at which you want to open your position. Let me show you that. Here you can enter the amount. For example, let's just say I want to enter an amount. I want to open a position and the size should be, I don't know, let's say $100 or something, yeah? $100, I'm just going to type that in right here, and I can just type in a price right now. For example, I don't want the position to be opened right now, but I want to open the position at $30,000. So I can just type in 30,000 right here, and I can click on open long. Can just click on confirm, and as you can see, I'm not in the position yet. If I go look down here, there's no open position, there's only an opened order, which is this long position order. It's just an order, it's not executed yet, because as you can see, it sits right here, and only if the price drops down to $30,000, then my order will be started and opened. So that's how you can use a limit order. Let me close that right now. I would recommend you personally, and I always use it, a market order. Then you don't have that because it will just enter the market immediately at the current market price. Now we can type in the amount. As you know, we can just type in any amount right here, or we can use the slide controller. Because we have set a 5x leverage, if we choose this to 100%, I have right now $35 on my account. It will use these $35 and it will of course use a 5x leverage. So 5 times this equals the entire position size of $172. So this is how the calculation works. Because I'm using a 5x leverage, it's this size. Of course, if I switch that, for example, let me choose it at 10x. I click on confirm. Now, if I choose 100%, as you can see, it's higher. It's $340 because it's 10 times my own margin that I have from my own capital if I want to use all of it. Let's switch it back to 5x leverage. Just want to show you a very short and small demonstration trade. Let's just choose all of it. And now we can choose a take profit and stop loss. If we click in here, we can set a take profit and a stop loss price. Let's say we want to close the position at $34,000 and take our profit. And we want to close it if it goes down to, let's say, $29,500. All right. You can also click on advanced right here, and you will get this window right here where you can see, all right, if this price is hit, this will be my profit. And if my stop loss will be hit, this will be my loss, which is very, very useful because you can immediately see what will be my profit, what will be my loss, and I can just click on confirm, and then I have it set right here. Then I can open my position. Let's say I want to open a long. I click on confirm, and now my position is opened. In the middle, I can see how much I have in my position, how much I am in profit or in loss, which I can also see down here. And if I scroll out a little bit, or let's make this a little bit smaller, I have to make it a lot smaller, then I can see up here my take profit and my stop loss, of course. I can also drag them around. For example, if I put it down a little bit, I can confirm it to this price. And if I then go down here and click and take profit and stop loss again, I can also see, all right, now it's a little bit lower and this will be my profit. I can also edit it, of course, right here if I want to switch it to another different number. And I can always see what will be my profit, confirm it, and then it's I have to choose the amount as well, and then just click on confirm, and then I can see it here, and I can see the price, and of course it also changes right here in the chart, which is really, really useful. All right, let's scroll up a bit, and now I want to show you another thing. We have our long position open right now, but now another thing that we can do is, if you look down here, you can see your profit, you can see the position size, your average price that you have where you went into the position, your liquidation price, your mark price, which is the current price, and your take profit and stop loss. Another thing I want to show you is how you can add a trading stop. If you just click on plus right here, there's also the possibility of setting a trailing take profit. So to do that, you simply go here and say, I want to choose a trading distance, for example, of $500, and I want to close the entire position with it. Then I can just click on confirm, and as you can see, I now have my trailing stop down here, which will follow my price. If it goes up, it also continues to go up, but it will always remain the $500 if it goes up, and if it goes down, it will stay there. So let me show you how it works. I can cancel the other take profit and stop loss because I've showed you that already. Let's close them, and I only have my trailing stop right here. So let's say the price moves up for a bit. What will happen is my trailing stop will move with it upwards, but if the price goes down, it will stay here and it will close the position. So it's a very useful tool, and it's very great that you have it here, and that you can, if you go in here, you can always see, okay, it's a $500 difference. That's because, as you can see, this is the price, this is my trading stop, and there's a $500 difference between these two. So that's really, really useful. And let me go back in here. Of course, you always have to measure it between the current price and the trading stop. Right now, it's a little bit smaller because the price went down a little bit, but if it will go up again, as I've told you, for example, if it will be at, let's say it will be at 31,000, then our trading stop will be, of course, $500 below that. So it will be at 30,500. Then it will move up to here. If the price moves up to here, our trading stop will follow. But if the price goes down, it will stay in here. So that's basically how it works. All right, now let me actually close the position. We don't need it anymore. I want to just select all of these things and delete them so we have a clear field. And now let me show you how you can also do a short position. So let's close the position right here, confirm it. Everything is closed now. And let's open a short position. So we just go in here. Everything is the same. We choose the amount again, let's say 100% again with our 5x leverage. But now we want to set a take profit and stop loss again. But in this case, we want to make a short position. If you click on take profit and stop loss and on advanced, we have to go here to short because it's a short position, and our take profit will now be, of course, down because now we are earning money if the price goes down. So let's say if it goes to 25,000, this will be our profit. Let's say if it goes up to 31,000, this will be our loss. Perfect, works completely fine. Click on confirm. And now we can open our short position, continue. If we scroll up a little bit, there you can see it. This is our stop loss, this is our take profit. It's a short position now, as you can see in here. And we can also see it down here. It's now a short position. This is our profit or loss. If it goes up, we are making a loss. If it goes down, we are making profit. Our liquidation price is now, of course, above it. If we don't have a stop loss at this price, it would close the entire position. We would lose all of our margin that we've put into this trade. And of course, we have here our take profit and stop loss again, where we can see it. And we can also set a trading stop. If you just click on add right here, we can say, for example, again, let's say $300 amount. I want to close all of it. Click on continue. And then I have my trading stop right here, exactly $300 above it right now, because of course, and if it goes down, it will always move with it. Basically, it works exactly the same as for the long position, just in this case, the opposite, the other way around. All right, we can close the position again here. Just click on market, choose all of it. We're taking a small loss here. Just click on confirm, and then we are out of the position again. And that's basically already it. Don't forget to create an account on BingX by using the link down from the video description to get the up to $5,000 of bonuses very easily. And if you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.